National Teen Driver Safety Week, empowering young drivers to stay safe. This week marks the beginning of National Teen Driver Safety Week, an initiative dedicated to promoting safe driving habits among teenagers across the country. Spearheaded by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, this annual event runs from October 20th through October 26th and aims to reduce the alarming statistics associated with teen driving accidents. Excitement is in the air as schools, communities, and organizations rally together to educate young drivers on the importance of responsible behavior behind the wheel. The focal point of this year's campaign is a series of interactive workshops and events designed specifically for teens. These activities include simulated driving experiences that highlight common hazards, peer-led discussions on avoiding distractions such as mobile phones, and expert talks on crucial safety measures like fastening seatbelts and obeying traffic laws. Parents are also encouraged to participate by engaging in open conversations with their teens about safe driving practices. With numerous resources available online and in local communities, there has never been a more comprehensive effort to equip young drivers with life-saving knowledge. Beyond just raising awareness, National Teen Driver Safety Week serves as a powerful reminder that everyone plays a role in ensuring road safety. Law enforcement agencies are stepping up patrols around school zones, while community leaders advocate for stricter regulations on novice drivers. The excitement surrounding these efforts underscores a universal commitment: safeguarding our future drivers today so they can become responsible motorists tomorrow. As we celebrate this vibrant week focused on advocacy and education, let's continue working together towards safer roads for all.